Hey guys, this is Angga and welcome back to my video. In the last video, we have to learn about to install the Bootstrap framework and how to using the documentation from a Bootstrap framework. Well, that's pretty enough for you, and in this case I will teach you about how to replace the Bootstrap style sheet using our style sheet. So I will change the background of color this navbar. Okay, we have navigation bar with a gray of background color. So I will change it using our CSS. It's like for external CSS. Okay, we create we create our style sheet for replace the Bootstrap style sheet. Okay, in the left side you can see the CSS folder or CSS directory. You can click right here and new file, and then going to file, save, and you can give the name file is style.css. So we have create a new file for CSS right here. You can edit the Bootstrap style sheet using this file. So we replace the style sheet. Okay, we go back to index.html and we can find the navbar right here. This is our navigation bar, and we will remove the carousel. We will remove the slider. You can select from this from this line and until here. You can delete. Okay, you can save and preview in your browser like this. Okay, so I will change this background. You can click your mouse right here, inspect, and you can see the codes of same kind of codes right here, and then you can see the border. This is uh, this is the property of style sheet from Bootstrap. Okay, well, we click right here and we find the background color. Okay, so the class name is navbar default, has a background color. The hex of code is F8, F8, and Fi. Okay, well, we have the class name, so you can change the background by using this class, or you can replace or create a new class for your style sheet to avoid the du sorry to avoid the duplicate class. So the best thing you need to do is you can add the new class right here, my navbar, like here, and we can save and going to style.css, and we can create the new class right here, my navbar, and the property is to change the background color. Yeah, I will give the background color I will change this background color into my favorite color. You know that? You know? Do you know about my favorite color? You don't know? My favorite color is blue. This is cause you can remember it for me, okay? Then we can save it. And next, we go back to index.html. We can include our style sheet right here. You can copy and you can paste in the below of Bootstrap. You can change the name of file is style.css. Okay, you can save and go into your browser and you can refresh like this. Okay, this is the way how to replace the Bootstrap CSS using our style sheet. Okay, so we can customize the style sheet right here, and if you want to make the color to be white, you can create the main navbar, and instead of my navbar, sorry, instead of my navbar, we have the anchor right here. So I will change the anchor color in my navbar. So we can target it using the dot my navbar and give the a, and you can give the property is color white. Save, and you can preview again in your browser. Okay, that's not happening, so we can change the colors like this, give the important. Okay, that's happened. This is the best way how to make your CSS it's working on your project, because important it's always important, the primary of class and property. So if you have a problem about your CSS, you must remember about this. You just need to create a important right here, so you can change the color to be red like this, or you can give the yellow like this. Okay, bro, sorry. Okay guys, so I think it's enough for me and for you and forever. Okay. Okay guys, in this video, the main files you can download from the latest video. I have put the link so you can download the main files from there. Okay. Well, I hope you can understand about this tutorial. And if you have a question, please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe me. And if you are new visitor in my video, please make sure you can watch my another video or the latest video before this video. Okay, so hello to new visitor and hello to subscriber. Okay, uh, in the next video I will create how to create the first layout for our portfolio themes. So you can watch my video in the next day, I mean tomorrow, or I will give you the notice if I had update the new video in my fans page. Okay, so you can like my fans page in Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube. Okay guys, so I'm sorry if I have mistake, and I know it's bad English for me, but I just hope you can understand about this tutorial. Maybe it's useful for you. Okay guys, so goodbye. Nice to meet you from Indonesia, Angga Rizky.